Hello viewers, today I am talking about motorcycle accident lawyer. So let's begin. So we are searching about motorcycle accident lawyer. So you can see here is some questions about motorcycle accident. Should I get a lawyer for motorcycle accident? You can see its question and its answer. Unless you have minor injuries, it is worth it to get a lawyer after suffering injuries in a motorcycle accident. Even seemingly minor injuries can cause lifelong struggles and complications, and a motorcycle accident attorney can help you get the compensation you deserve. You can see guys, here is the answer of this question, and you can see who is fault in most motorcycle accident. In serve and fatal motorcycle crashes involving multiple vehicle, vehicles, greater blame falls on four-wheel drives, and most motorcycle crashes involve other vehicles. Those crashes often involve other vehicles making a left turn, pulling in front of motorcycles that are going straight. So guys, these are answers, and I am opening this website for more information about motorcycle accident lawyer. So you can see guys, motorcycle accident lawyer. The motorcycle accident lawyer, it mainly law get results when a motorcyclist is hit by a car, truck, or other large vehicle. The result can be catastrophic with little protection from the impact. The rider may be suffer life-threatening injuries that take months or years to heal. The aftermath of a motorcycle accident can be a harrowing time physically and financially. In order to get compensation for your injuries, you will need an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer on your side. We have achieved record breaking settlements and verdicts for our clients. Below is a partial list of our wins. The motorcycle accident laws and it mainly law have more than 55 years of experience representing injured victims. Our award-winning attorneys have record large settlements and verdicts for our clients throughout PANYNJ, and all our from Martinez Hebel. Most importantly, we get results. We have recovered millions of dollars in compensation for victims of highway and motorcycle accident. If you have suffered an injury or lost a loved one in a motorcycle accident, contact me. Do I need a motorcycle accident lawyer? Careless driver may not see a biker on the road until it is too late. When carelessness results in a serious accident, the driver at fault must be held accountable. After a crash, there may be roadblocks to getting the compensation you need to recover. Even if you are injured or severe, insurance companies profit by paying as little as they can to motorcycle policy holders and motorcycle accident victims. It is common practice for the for the insurance company to attempt to blame the motorcycle rider for the accident. Don't accept an offer from an insurance company without consulting an attorney first. The insurance coverage for a motorcycle crash is different from a regular car accident. We will answer you questions at no charge and help you determine what to do next. It merely law a motorcycle accident lawyer will help you file a personal injury lawsuit to recover compensation for medical bills, rehabilitation and physical therapy, lost wages, pain and suffering. In the worst cases, we help families pursue wrongful death claims against its fault driver in order to get justice for their loved one and provide future security for their family. Community law is so much more than a law firm. It is family of lawyers who know the true meaning of family and compassion for their clients. I never felt uneasy or apprehensive at any of our meetings. I always felt like I was the most important person on their agenda. I was always reassured everything would work out in my favor, and they did everything to make it happen. You will know immediately by your first meeting they truly care about your that something that requires a family value for first and then the knowledge to carry it through. I would and always do recommended merely law first and foremost. Patty. So here is more about motorcycle accident injuries. You can see, guys, injuries sustained in a motorcycle crash may include. So here is some about motorcycle accident lawyers, broken bones, concussion, traumatic brain injury, spinal cord damage, paralysis, paraplegia, quadriplegia, severe burns, loss of limbs, death. More about motorcycle accident. So, guys, you can visit this website for more information. You can contact from this website about motorcycle accident lawyer. Thanks for coming, guys. It's all about motorcycle accident lawyer. So if you need any help, you can comment on my video. Thanks for coming and make sure to subscribe my channel, and thanks for coming. Thank you. Goodbye, guys.